As a designer, I have people ask me if I'm scared that AI is going to come take my job since AI is now starting to design websites, design logos, and honestly, no. If only because of this video and what I'm about to show you. But also, as a designer, one of my strengths is being able to take what's in my client's head. Sometimes it's specific, sometimes it's just, I don't know, I kind of want something like this, and turn that into something concrete without it having to be literal. Good design doesn't have to be literal, especially when it comes to logos. Just because you are a restaurant doesn't mean you have to have a hamburger in your logo. Just because you are a salon doesn't mean you need a little blow dryer icon. It doesn't have to be literal. And AI is very literal, as I'm finding. I don't think that AI is coming for my job just yet. Now, I will say, I'm going to put myself out there. My very first logo was atrocious. Now, this was 13 years ago. I was a very new designer, and I went the literal route. As you can see, everyone asks me when they see this, I don't understand what's happening. I took the E in my name and tried to turn it into a computer mouse, but also still readable as an E. And then the cord is like circling. That's like the mouse cord. That's what that was. Moving on, today's video is an experiment to test out different AI logo makers. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to start, I asked ChatGPT to give me a business name, a little description, some branding, outline, and so EcoGlow Lighting Solutions specializes in providing energy-efficient, eco-friendly lighting solutions for residential and commercial properties. They do LED lighting systems, smart lighting automation, a bunch of stuff. So I took this information and plugged it into a few logo AI creators. So first I have logoai.com. I wouldn't say this is a horrible logo, but what is this like circle orb icon? This screams, we're just gonna find this random kind of emblem and attach it to our logo. Maybe the AI has some reason, maybe there's some context that I'm missing. I don't love the font combination. I don't like those two different fonts together, the EcoGlow Lighting and then the Solutions. Not my favorite. Then I hopped over to Logo Pony. Not much better. This is very boring. At least we have a light bulb and not just some random emblem. I guess we're moving in the right direction, but still not my favorite. Then I went to design.com. This is a choice. What is happening here? This reminds me of my own first logo with the wrapping of the cord. The context was taken wrong here. Brandmark, I would say, is the best so far. Maybe the best out of the whole bunch, if we're being honest. But there's no icon, there's no emblem, which your logo doesn't have to have one, but this seems very basic. Is there a reason that we took off the line from the E? We're just doing like, I would say it's the most modern, doesn't feel like clip art. If I had to choose one, I would go with Brandmark. Then I asked ChatGPT to create a logo also. I mean, first of all, half the text you can't even read and it doesn't make sense. But if we just look at the business name with the art, I don't love it. Again, it doesn't speak LED and lighting to me. It really focuses heavily on the eco-friendly aspect of the company. And then lastly, I asked Canva's AI logo creator to create a logo also, and I don't know what this is supposed to be. Again, let's ignore the typos. That's another reason AI is not gonna take my job yet. I'm not sure what these kind of like arches are supposed to be. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, well, crap, I need a logo for my business. I can't really afford a designer yet. Like, what am I supposed to do? One, you can use a Canva template. Some of the templates are overused, so I would scroll through. Don't use one of the top ones that shows up at the top of the list. You can create one, or when in doubt, just type your business name out in a font that matches your brand, that matches your website, kind of goes with the aesthetic that you're looking for. and use that to get started. Logos do not sell. Your websites, your messaging, your offers, that's what sells. The logo is just there. It's a credibility piece. It does help kind of tie things together. Yes, it's nice to put on business cards and whatever else, but it's not the thing that sells. So don't stress and don't let that keep you from launching your business or putting yourself out there. I want to hear from you. So if you have another AI logo creator or you have logo questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.